I'm here with my friend Keely, and I have like no video ideas and I have no enthusiasm to film videos, so I thought we would just go try the College Junior Froot Loop donuts because I saw Trisha Paytas. I think she was like sponsored, but I'm not. Also, check out this photo of the spilled ketchup. Where? Ew. Why is it condensating right there? It looks like butt cheeks. Look at it. We're at College Junior. I haven't been in here so long.
Hi, welcome to College. Would you like to try a $6 six-burger combo?
No thank you. I just wanted to get a Froot Loop donut.
Of course. Would you like to add a bottle of milk with that?
No thank you.
Alright, would that complete your order?
Yes.
$2.69. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. No, I can't turn that off. Thank you. Oh, don't show it to the camera. You're trying to get me robbed? You didn't know that was there. I feel like my privacy has been attacked. I have to blur. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna see. You know what? I should go against the bush. That's a little bit more of an exciting scenery. Oh my god. Okay, let's look at our donut. I don't think it's fresh at all. I don't feel any warmth coming from inside. Oh, Froot Loops mini donuts. Let's try this.
Oh, it's like a whole pack. What the? Oh my,
that is so fun.
Cute. Ew, are they cake donuts?
I don't know.
Do you think there are different flavors? No, they're not.
I haven't seen any of the taste tests yet. Wait, this actually tastes like
about the crunch, so. There's a hair, but I don't know where it came from.
It's like a white hair.
It's really funny. Can you press on the focus? I think they get the idea. Shouldn't leave that there. Do I care?
They offered us a milk to eat. I mean, a drink with it. I feel like it would go.
Wide enough to dip though. It would. Bottle.
Yeah.
You may eat it. So.
It's actually pretty good. It tastes exactly like a Froot Loop. You would expect. I'm gonna get the lavender one because aesthetic pastel. Wait, it tastes different.
Really?
This doesn't taste like a Froot Loop.
I feel like this blue one does. I feel like you're imagining it. So
yeah.
Why would they flavor it differently?
It doesn't taste so strong. This is an awful angle. We're just in an empty parking lot.
It's not bad for cake donuts. I usually hate cake donuts.
Wow. A changed woman.
Yeah. But they're obviously not fresh. So.
Yeah, I wish these were fresh.
Like a ring? Ew. Ew.
I'm kind of over it. Do you want this?
No. You stuck your tongue through it? Yeah. That looks fun. I feel like they're the same, and the colors are throwing us off.
Placebo?
I bet there's some child there that think Froot Loops is a literal cereal. Each one tastes different.
It tastes different. So what's your verdict?
They taste like Froot Loops. If you like cake donuts and Froot Loops.
What would you rate it? 1 through 10. 10 being great.
What's
10 being me?
Is 10 like a Krispy Kreme and like in general?
Don't think too deep.
Like a 4. 10, I would say.
College Junior is never gonna sponsor me. I would give it like a 5.5 because
I don't have points.
I always put half points. It executed what it wanted to do. It did what it wanted.
What? That's the worst review. Like, what does that even mean? There's a date on it. Whoa. 9/4.
It says Martes.
Maybe that's when it expires. Like, you can't sell it past September.
It could have been better. Actually, I don't know how it could have been better. How could it have been better?
If it wasn't a cake donut, I think I would have liked it better.
So just
there
like
wasn't a hair in it.
The hair adds a little texture and spice.
I was like, I knew who this came from, and that's nice.
Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. What?
Oh my god. For a second, I thought the engine wasn't starting.
So goddamn unforgettable.